Motion and focus Haywood Fieldhouse operation and information technology plan. Operations plan. Location. Haywood Fieldhouse plans include locating our facilities in the western North Carolina mountain region. This location is important because it provides a first mover advantage with no direct commercial competitors in the area. This is also a popular destination for travel, which will offer visitors for athletic competition events many options for accommodations, entertainment, and food. Plans also include partnerships with local hotels, retailers, and restaurants to offer discounts for weekend athletic events and Haywood Fieldhouse members. Purchase of land for the building should incorporate enough acreage to include parking facilities. Expansion ideas will require additional acreage as the future operation plans to include outdoor soccer, beach volleyball, baseball fields, and other unique training facilities. Building. Haywood Fieldhouse indoor facilities will include a 120,000 square foot space that will house 6 to 12 basketball courts, 6 to 12 volleyball courts, arena-sized football field, arena-sized lacrosse, batting cages, pitching facilities, golf swing analysis, a full-size running track, a gym with weights and cardio machines, and fitness rooms for group exercise and training events. The internal space will be a customizable flooring option where changes can be made depending on the sporting tournament. There will be areas for bleachers for spectators to sit. The entrance to the facility will include check-in stations with card scanners for members and ticketing stations for sports events, small snack area, and retail options. There will also be a small area for eating with tables or booths. We will have room in the front lobby area for vendors such as photographers and retailers to set up during special events. Bathrooms will be found in this area as well. Business offices will be housed in front of the building to the side of the check-in area. This will also be the area where servers, computers, printers are located for management of everyday operations. Equipment. Specialized flooring that can be altered based on the sports event is a major part of the required equipment. All types of sports training equipment, including equipment for batting cages, sports balls, cardio and strength machines, nets, goals, bleachers, and score clocks. Time clock equipment for employees, officials, and membership check will be required. Facility management software will need to be loaded on computers that are accessible by employees who will provide check-in, membership, and retail services. Programs. Haywood Fieldhouse has the potential to offer a vast array of health, fitness, and athletic programs, which includes physical training activity or health classes to promote wellness throughout our community. There will be options for individual and group athletic training, options for sports leagues, and special event tournaments. Competitive advantage. No other complexes in 2 counties with the ability to offer indoor training facilities for multiple sports and options for competitive athletic tournaments. Information technology. Hardware. Haywood Fieldhouse will require hardware including computers, servers, printers, and membership card printers and scanners. Software. Haywood Fieldhouse plans to use software known as EZ Facility, which was created as a division of Jonas Software. It is a management software focused on sports facility management that encompasses all areas of facility scheduling, membership management, employee time clocks, point of sale products, inventory management, league management, billing and payments, and a branded mobile app for members. Many other features that will help with all aspects of Haywood Fieldhouse operations. Accounting. EZ Facility Software works directly with QuickBooks to make sure accounting an easier process. Direct accounting processes, including all legal requirements by the IRS, will follow GAAP and be handled by a certified professional accountant outside of our internal processes. Marketing. Haywood Fieldhouse will develop personalized website through the tools available through the GoDaddy website development. This will initially be an in-house function, as GoDaddy offers so many easy-to-use tools to help with setup features. Management. Several managers will need to be included in the technology and operation plans. Daily procedures will require an on-site operational manager, an IT manager, and an HR manager. Appendix. Layout of facility. Key process maps. Daily operations. Check-in. Snack shop. Retail shop. Membership management and after-school program management. IT operations. Maintain hardware. Maintain software. Data management. Technology training and cybersecurity. HR accounting operations. Hiring process. Training processes. Billing and payments. And payroll. Here is our operation plan worksheet. Here's our technology plan preparation form. Thank you for listening to our operations and technology plan.